Apple has just dropped two very different heavyweights, the powerful iPhone 17 Pro Max and the design-focused, ultra-thin iPhone Air. But which one is right for you? In this video, we'll break down everything: design, camera, performance, battery, so you can decide with confidence. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We cover all the latest tech so you don't miss out. Today, we're comparing iPhone 17 Pro Max versus iPhone Air. What Apple wants you to have versus what you might want depending on your priorities. Body and thickness: hefty, durable, includes new vapor chamber cooling. Strong build materials, ultra-thin at 5.6 millimeters. Lightweight approximately 165 grams. Grade 5 titanium frame, very sleek. Display size and quality: large screen Pro Max size, approximately 6.9 with promotion 120 Hz, high peak brightness approximately 3000 nits outdoors, excellent visibility. 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display, promotion up to 120 Hz, strong brightness, anti-reflection improvements. Pro Max has a 488 MP fusion system, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto. The telephoto offers optical quality zoom up to 8, plus more zoom and lens variety. Air has a single 488 MP main fusion camera, meaning fewer lens options, but likely very good main shots, especially in ideal conditions. Both have improved front cameras with center stage features. Pro Max, of course, supports more zoom, more flexibility in framing, perhaps more stabilization, etc. The Air supports strong video 4K, good stabilization, but not as many high-end extras. If you often zoom for portraits, distant subjects, Pro Max gives you more options for 8, etc. and better detail at range. Air will be more limited when it comes to telephoto shots. Both phones use Apple's A19 Pro chip, which is their most powerful and efficient yet. The Air adds extra chips in C1X modem, etc. to improve wireless modem performance. Pro Max has a vapor chamber cooling system to maintain performance under heavy usage: gaming, video editing without throttling. Air lacks this kind of advanced cooling, since its priority is thinness and design. It will heat more under load, trade-off clear. Both have plenty of RAM for smooth multitasking. Pro Max tends to have higher storage options. Wireless connectivity, Bluetooth, etc. updated in both. Pro Max has larger internal battery, thicker body, which allows more room. This usually means better battery life in heavy usage. Reports indicate enormous leap in battery life. Air, though impressive given its thin profile, will likely lag behind in heavy usage: gaming, 4K video, etc. But for regular daily tasks, it should be very competent. Pro Max is more rugged, has more protection. Air is thinner, lighter, but still uses ceramic shield front and back protection, strong titanium frame, etc. But thin design may be more fragile under certain stresses. Price difference: Pro Max is more expensive, premium features. Air sits slightly lower but still premium. You may add local pricing here for your region so it relates better. Closing parenthesis. Features you'll pay extra for on Pro Max: zoom camera set, higher battery, cooling, bigger display, more RUGGEDNESS. If you don't need zooms, heavy gaming, or massive battery, Air might give you most of what you want without the extra bulk or price. Are a power user, gaming, video production, high zoom photography. Want maximum battery life and durability. Single quotes T mind size, weight, and price. So which one wins? There is no one size fits all. It depends on what you value more. If you want the ultimate performance, camera versatility, and power, go Pro Max. But if you want style, portability, and something that feels futuristic in your hand, the Air might be your dream iPhone. If you enjoyed this comparison, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments which one you would pick: Pro Max or Air, and why. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.